Hello wonderful viewers, welcome again. Here today I'm going to be showing you how to stitch in little of your embroidery wool on your plain t-shirt. This is actually a beautiful or simple easy DIY. This is homemade. All you need to do is just get your embroidery needle, get your embroidery wool, and you stitch up. You can do a lot of beautiful styles, a lot of beautiful embroidery work on your plain t-shirt at home. Some of us don't like our plain t-shirts, totally plain, and adding a little touch or beautiful effect on such plain material won't be a bad idea. And so I came up with this video. I thought of adding just little of embroidery. I decided to stitch in some little embroidery wool on my plain t-shirt, and hopefully you guys like it. You can actually use different colors, but in this video I chose red, green and blue. Okay, so there are different beautiful colors out there that you can stitch on your embroidery. You can stitch on your plain material or your plain tops or your t-shirt at home. So I'll begin to pass in the needle into the t-shirt. This has to be done gently so as to get your results. So I'll continue like that till the end, and now I want to make touch of embroidery pattern. You can actually use the ruler or use any plain any straight. So using the ruler would do. Just roll in some embroidery wool, roll enough embroidery wool, and after that, after rolling for several times, you can then pull it out of the ruler. Alright, beautiful people, enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. You can as well drop your comments on what you feel about this particular video. I like this pattern. Tell me if you like it as well, and if you have if you have suggestions on better, brighter colors to use next time, you can as well drop your comments below. Alright, beautiful people, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks and keep watching.